Welcome back to the another chapter of MySQL series. Today we will talk about the join in SQL. So we will understand everything about the join today. That how many types of join are there in SQL and what is the use of each join. So first we will understand what is the join. So join is basically used for uh, combining two tables. For example, if you have a two table and you want to join them together, or you want to get some information from both the table in one table, so that is why we use a join. There are a different type of join in SQL. We have inner join, we have our left join, right join, cross join, and self join. For example, you have a two table, table 1 and table 2. And if you will use an inner join, then what will happen? Using an inner join will get only record it is comma record in both. But using a left join, what will happen? The all the record from the left table will selected and common record from the right table will get selected. Okay, as you can see in the screen, like that it will have. And on the right join it will get opposite. Like for example, you have two table again here, the table 1 and table 2. In this scenario, what will happen? It will take all the records from the right table, but the only the common records from the left table. Okay, in the cross join is very different. Here you don't need any common record. It will take all the record from the right table and all the record from the left table. Okay, so like that you can use the joins. So everything we will understand with the example.
So, without any further delay, let's get started.
As you can see here, we have two table. One is movies table and the another we have the members tables, right? And in this both table, what is happening? We have member ID, first name, last name, and movies. And this table we have the ID, title, and category. Yesterday we learned about the foreign key and primary key, right? So in this case, what is happening here? So this will become a primary key, okay? And the another table here, it will become a foreign key, okay? So if you want to join both of them, you can use any join like inner join, left join, right join, anything, but I will explain with you each example. First we will understand how to use an inner join. Okay, so let's understand inner join first. So what to use an inner join, how I will write the query? I will select star from which one is our first table, the movies table, right? So we will write movies. And then what is our second table? Members we want here. So we are gonna use an inner join because we want a common record from both tables. So we will use inner join. What I will write? Members. This is our table name, the second, right? On. Don't forget to write a on. Then what was our common column in both table? For in first table in movies, we have ID. Then we will write is equal to. Then in members, what is our common column? Movie ID. So I will write movie ID and we will close with the semicolon. Hit enter. So we will get all the records which have common in both table. For example, if somebody asks you, just give me the records from both table, like their first name, last name as a full name, and title and category. You can write like, you will write select, and you want the first name, last name as a first name, last name is a full name. So what we use for the concat, right? You can write concat. We will write here first name, then space, comma. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write comma over here. So I can write last name as a full name. Full name. Then what else I need? I need, for example, for suppose I need a title, okay? Then I need a category. Then what we will do? Same thing, we will just copy paste inner join. And here we will do the modification where sorry, I forgot, right? From movies inner join, and here what I will write where category is equal to animations, okay? Animation, okay? Then what will happen? You will get all the records which has animation in their category from both table, and like that you can use your inner join. So now we will understand the right join. Sorry, first we will understand the left join. Okay, so what is the use of left join? And it will take all the records from left table, but only the common record from the right table. Okay, so let's understand how it's work. For example, here also we will take the same example. See, before we start the left join, it will consider, see, whatever you will take. For example, here if you will take movies first, so it will consider as a left table, and the member second, it will consider as a right table. Or if you will take it first members, then it will take consider as a left table, and the another table, if you take movies, it will consider as a movies, sorry, the right table. Okay, so make sure you what whenever you are using a left join, you are aware that which is you gonna take a left or which is you gonna take in the right. Okay, so we will use a left join. So if you will use a left join, then what will happen? For example, same thing, we will copy paste from here, and I will change it to the left join only. In this scenario, what will happen? It will take all the records from left table, but only the record which has common record in the right table, that is only it will take. So let me hit the control enter. So as you can see here, it take all the records from the left table. So movies is our left table, right? See this one, it take all the records from the left table, but only the common record from the right table. See the common record, which one is common record? This 5 record is common, so it take like that. So if you, as you can see here, it take all the records from the left table, but from the right table, can you see here? There is a lot of null because it take only common record. All right. So like that left join work. So let's understand now the right join. Right join. Right join is totally opposite of left join. It will take all the records from right table, but only the left record, sorry, common record from the left table. It's not a column, okay? It's a record I'm talking about. Whenever you use any join, it will take the all the column, but it's depend on which join you are using. It will take record according that. Okay, so right join is totally opposite of the left join. Just copy paste this, and if you will change it to the right join, you will get all the record from right join and only the common record from left table. Okay, so if we will hit that, so can you see that now it's take all the record from right table and only the common record from left table. Okay, so I hope everybody understand the what is inner join, how we can use left join and right join. Let's understand the cross join. Cross join is bit complex, not lot too much, but little bit you can say. So basically, what cross join does, for example, we have two table, one by the name of meals. Select start from meals. Here we have meals name or their rate. Okay, and then another table I have select start from drinks, and here I have drinks name and rate. If I will use a cross join, because in cross join I don't need any common column, I have to write directly, like select star from meals, then what I will write, cross join, and then here we don't have to write on because we don't have any common column, right? I will write directly drinks and hit the control enter. What will happen, the all the records from first table, it match with the both table, like in front of the omelette it will show all the drinks, like here, like tea, coffee, Pepsi and their rate, and then like that in the another meals name, like pancake, for example. So in pancake also it will say all the records front of the pancake, tea, coffee and Pepsi. Okay, so as you can see here, it got all the records from this table.
In simple language, if you ask me, you can say cross join will multiply the record into two. Like in as we saw just now, in first table we have a three record, and in another table we have a three record. So it will multiply, and it will become nine record. So
Work. Okay. So for example, if somebody asks you, show me the only records from the tables: meal name, their rate, and drink name. Okay. So how you will do it? Okay. For example, you did like select star from, oh sorry, select meal name, then you write rate, then you write drink name, and you write from meal cross join, like that. Then what happened here? It give you the error. Why it's getting error? Because we have two rate in the same table now. So you have to use prefix over here. So what is prefix? Prefix means you have to specify the particular table name, and then you can use it. So instead of doing this, here what I will do, in red, front of the red I will write meal dot, because meal is our, sorry, meals, it is meals actually. So like that you can use your cross join. But you know, if somebody asks you, so what will be the total cost of the meal, so you can write like this. You can write here, we will just copy paste this first, and then I will explain to you. Like select star from this, and here I want to get the total cost, right? So we will prefix the both table here. I will write plus, then the another table, which one we have, like drinks, right? So I will write here drinks dot rate, and this one we will keep it in the last, because okay, so like that we can get the total cost of our meals, right? So as you can see, pancake with tea, it will become, you can write here also as a total cost. Okay, so you can see here pancake with tea, your 45.75 rupees, you can say, or omelette or whatever it can be. But if you want, pancake with the, for example, you want Pepsi, it will become 60 rupees. Like that, you can get your total cost as well. So tomorrow we will understand everything. Before we understand the self join, we will understand how we can prefix the table, and how we can sort the prefixing, and what is alias name and everything. We will cover in tomorrow video. And that's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.